Open Blender, select everything with the A key, delete with X, switch to front view, and add a UV sphere. Set the segments to 16. Enter Edit Mode, enable Proportional Editing and Transparency Mode. Select this vertex, press G, and move it down along the Z-axis. Create the shape of our pumpkin. Repeat the same steps with the bottom vertex. Exit Edit Mode. Add a subdivision modifier, set it to 2. Switch to top view, and apply Shade Smooth. Go back to Edit Mode, select these faces. Delete them. Turn off Proportional Editing. Select the edges using the Option key, and select the desired edges by holding Shift plus Option. Using Command plus B on a MacBook, subdivide the 3 selected edges. Again, press the Option key, select an edge, hold Shift plus Option to select the remaining edges we need. Use the S key to scale them down, and now we have this little pumpkin shape. Next, back to Edit Mode, select these edges with the Option key. Right-click, go to Loop Tools, choose Circle. Press F to fill it, press Shift plus D to duplicate this face. And use P to separate it. Now, hide this for a moment and select our pumpkin. Select this face, press I, then go back and select this plane. Enter Edit Mode, and press it to select all, then extrude. Right away, select the face, poke face, subdivide, and scale it up a bit. Right-click, set origin to geometry. Move it down slightly, and scale it up a bit more. Now we have our pumpkin. You can also select this edge and make it smaller, and scale it up by 3. Now, File, Save to save the project. Next, add a curve path. Raise it a bit and scale it down. Switch to top view and adjust its position. Go to Data Object, Geometry, and scale it up. Let's go into Edit Mode and model something like stem. Don't be afraid to experiment and try something of your own. Now we have our pumpkin. Switch to top view, clear everything, raise it a little, and now let's add a plane for the background. Enter edit mode, select this edge, switch to front view, extrude along the z-axis, and select this edge, use Command+B to subdivide, apply shade smooth. Now add a camera, select it, scroll to adjust. And set the output resolution to a square format. In the data object settings, set it to orthographic. And don't forget to uncheck the camera rotation option. Let's save again just in case. Next, go to Render Settings. Choose Cycles, set the maximum samples in the viewport to 64, which is sufficient, and set the render samples to 128. Now let's add some lighting. Choose Area Light, raise it up, and scale it a bit. Let's set the strength to 300, which looks good. In top view, move the light here. Place the second one here, and the third one can go here. Adjust them a bit, and I think it should work fine. Now, select our pumpkin and lower it a bit. Next, switch to shading. First, let's apply a background material. Something like this. Select our pumpkin. Shift+A, add a color ramp. Copy and paste it. And add input geometry. Connect everything and start playing with our pumpkin. Yeah, looks great. Now, connect this color ramp, which is currently not connected, to our setup. Choose an orange color. Maybe even a yellow. Let's reduce the lighting intensity a bit. Next, let's pick a green color for our pumpkin. By the way, let's reduce the roughness a bit for a shinier effect, and adjust the smoothness. Now we have this pumpkin. Go to Render Settings, Color Management, and set it to Medium High Contrast. Save our file and start rendering. Let's see. This looks good, but let's adjust the lighting position a bit. Also, let's change the background color to a more yellow tone. And let's add some texture to the orange part of the pumpkin to make it more interesting. Press Shift plus A to add a bump, connect it, and add a noise texture. Set the bump strength to 0.1 and tweak the texture settings. This looks better. Save our file and click to render the image. Thank you all for watching. Please support this new video format with a like. See you next time.